Hey, y'all, you do not know. I'm going to actually put the footage in here of me trying to retrieve this package, okay? First off, this is going to be a rant, okay? First off, USPS delivered at 6:48 p.m. Talking about they put it in my mailbox. I said, how did they fit this mystery box in my mailbox? So I said, oh no. Because one time they put that, but it was on my doorstep. So I said, oh no. So I opened my door. It's not on my doorstep. So I go over to my mailbox, and this was lodged in there. When I tell you it was lodged in there, then I was ranting and raving. I was so upset. This guy was walking by. He tried to get it for me. It wouldn't come out. So I go to the post office. I'm like, you guys jammed my mailbox. Like, I can't get any of my mail. Mind you, there's letters in there and stuff too. Bills. I got all types of bills in there. So they've been jamming stuff in there. So I'm like, I can't get it. So she says, this is the supervisor at the post office. I'm not going to say which branch. She's like, I'm going to send a carrier over there to get the box out and deliver it to your doorstep. Yesterday comes and goes. Nobody did it. Today comes and goes. Nobody did it. So I go over there. My sister said, get a box cutter and take the contents of the box out. And I'm like, the box is never going to come out. So I actually did that. And I had to like rip the box open like an animal. And yeah, that's how we got it out of my box. But can you see, like, he literally, whoever did this had to force this into the mailbox. You know damn well this doesn't fit in a freaking little mailbox. Like, you should have just put it on my doorstep. Stop being lazy. Talking about 6:48 p.m. Unbelievable. Okay, so that's part of my rant. So this was in there too. I was so upset. And then, oh, my other mail. Somebody knocked on my door today like, oh, you had mail outside the mailbox. And I'm like, so they knocked my mail outside of the box as well. That's nice. That's real nice. Okay, so, okay. They itemized the thing. I wanted to be surprised. I hate when they do that. Okay. So this is samples. So you got 2 samples with the order. This was $85, by the way, from Jouer.com. I've never tried them. So let's check it out. So this is hand sanitizing wipes. And so I guess you can use hand wipes to get 15% off. But it's, y'all, I'm telling you, it's expensive on that site. And this is high coverage concealer pen. Buildable coverage, natural finish. Well, why are you calling it high coverage then? Oh, you get 4 different shades. Okay. This is a good idea for something that's like online, because then, you know, you could try it out before you... I wonder how they knew I was black. They definitely sent me black people shades. That's hilarious, because you couldn't pick this. Like, they just randomly sent this to me, so that's funny. Okay, but this is actually really cute. It came like this. This is the part that got damaged because of the idiots who put it in my mailbox like that. It was like lodged in. I'm going to put the footage in. So, pretty bow, pretty paper. And yeah, let's see what's in here. It feels soft, so I don't know. And this was $85, which is extremely expensive. Oh, it has like a real bag. Okay, guys, I was itching to open this all day, and I was like, no, I have to film it. I have to film the unboxing, because I like being surprised. So this is really pretty. It says Jouer on it. So let's see what's inside here. Oh, wow. This is cute. Wow, what a nice makeup bag. I hope this isn't one of the items, but this is a very nice makeup bag. Okay, this is huge, y'all. I love the fake Louis Vuitton print as well. That's the funny part. Okay, so here's what's in it. I forgot how many items come in it, but we'll do the small one first. Okay, so this is, I've literally never tried anything from Jouer. So this is the high pigment lip gloss and rodeo. Okay. Yes, gold box. Come on. So I don't like this color, but we'll swatch it anyway. How bad could it be? Oh, I hate this. Oh, I don't like this. This is not my scene. It's like a pinky, rosy kind of. I like pink, but I would like a more kind of sheer pink. This is Born to Shine Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. Lip balm, $85. Jouer. Come on now. Come on. Fucking lip balm. Really? I mean, this is more up my alley. It has like glitter in it. Let's swatch it. Okay, this is actually, I actually like this better than the lip gloss. God, I wish I didn't swatch that. I knew I shouldn't have swatched it. Damn it. But I'm like, it was expensive. Let me just keep it. Okay, so the next thing is this Molten Glow all over face and body highlighter. So let's, open that up. Okay. I'm gonna put the retail prices in here. Okay, glitter. This is pretty. And it has a little brush. So at least it's good that it comes with a brush, because their stuff was expensive when I was looking. So if you want to try it, you might want to grab a mystery box. They did have 2 other mystery boxes. This was the highest level. So, oh, okay, the thing fell off. But, okay, that's pretty. This is really, actually really pretty. It's like gold. Ooh. Okay, Jouer. Okay, a little light for me, but I don't care because it's so pretty. Let me share it out. It's really pretty. Honestly, it's very light for me, but I don't even care because it's like the sparkle is so pretty. And you get the little brush that comes with it. So that's pretty. Okay, Jouer. And there is a palette in here. So I see holographic. I like it already. Let's see here. Ooh. And it's called Rose Gold Palette. The box is rose gold. Well, the box is more like a holographic pink. So, okay, this is made in the US. Oh, okay. Made in the USA. Okay, let's try to open this. This is actually kind of pretty. I'm trying to hurry because I'm like cooking dinner. And I was waiting for the post office that never effing showed up. Which is just fantastic. Okay, so this looks a little plain, but that's okay. Let's see the inside. Okay, so yeah, she's a little basic. She's a little basic. I'm gonna put the retail prices in here. Yeah, she's a little basic, but we have some cute colors in here. Like the baby pinks are cute. Now, am I gonna keep this or give this away? It has so many palettes. I do like the browns, but I can't imagine that I don't have these shades. I don't know. I might do a giveaway. We'll see. I never had anything from this brand though. I sure wish I didn't swatch that lip gloss, or I would have given that away. Or let me know if you don't care if it's swatched. But usually I give away like perfectly pristine stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna do a flat lay of everything I got so you can see like the sparkles and everything. And make sure you check out my mystery box series. I have a couple more mystery boxes coming. And some other items, not just all makeup. I got some other beauty items, so I have at least 3 more coming. And check out my giveaways that are going on in the other mystery box videos. yeah, guys, and until the next video. Oh, I don't know if they're counting this as an item. Let me actually look at the invoice. Yeah, this is the Jet Set bag. Okay, Jet Set bag, lip enhancer, rose gold, matte and shimmer palette, high pigment lip gloss, Rodeo, Molten Glow all over face. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just not like my, but I'm sure like a lot of people would like this color. It's just I don't happen to like this color. Maybe if you're trying to get lit, it's like very summery kind of color. Yeah, but okay, so it was $85, free shipping. They shipped from Cali. It got to New Jersey. I ordered December 28th. It got to New Jersey January 4th. But I had the incident with the mailbox, which I'm going to put that footage in here just for some laughs. So if you want to laugh, check out the footage here of me trying to get my freaking mail. Okay, guys, till the next video. Bye. Okay, this is day 2. I've gone to the post office. They did nothing. My sister said I should try to cut it. I tried, but it's actually a really nice box. So you can't, can you cut the inside of this? I'm not sure. Oh God. And post office still hasn't come to pick up the GlitzGlam boxes, so here we go. Ugh.